In this video, we're going to factor a quadratic trinomial by decomposition. So let's start by writing in standard form. This one is 3x squared plus 4x minus 15, and it's written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is 3 and b is positive 4 and c is negative 15. Okay, the first step is to take out any common factors if there are any, and there aren't any here, so we can just leave it in this form here. So we've got 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Okay, we're going to multiply and factor c, so we're going to do 3 times 15, actually 3 times negative 15, which gives us negative 45. And now we're going to factor ac. What are the numbers that you can multiply to make 45? We'll just do the positive ones. 3 times 15, does it multiply by 3 or divide by 3? Yes, because its digit sum is 9. And we can also do 5 times 9. I think those are all the factors of 45. Now we're trying to find a factor pair which will give us positive 4, the value of b. We've got to try and find a factor pair that gives us positive 4. Let's do that in orange actually. Positive 4, one of them is going to be positive, one of them is going to be negative because we've got a negative product. So we notice that we can't do it with 1 and 45, but we can do it with positive 9 and negative 5. That will give us a sum of positive 4. So let's write out our expression again with the bx term decomposed into these two terms, 3x squared minus 5x plus 9x, subtract 15. And that's exactly the same as what we had before, because the minus 5x and the plus 9x give us positive 4x there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to factor each side. So first we're going to factor 3x squared minus 5x, the first two terms. The greatest common factor of those two terms is just x. Okay, so then we divide 3x squared divided by x gives us just 3x. And then minus 5x divided by x gives us minus 5. Okay, now we're going to factor the plus 9x minus 15 part. We're just factoring this pair of terms. So the highest common factor is 3, I think, positive 3, let's say. 9x divided by 3 gives us just 3x. Negative 15 divided by 3 gives us negative 5, and that's always a relief to see that the two brackets are the same. Well, it's always nice to see. It means you've done it right. Okay, so if the two brackets are the same, you can be pretty sure that your factor has been successful. And now we're going to take the other linear pair from the x plus 3. That gives us one of our pair of linear factors. And let's just switch colour here. The other pair we're going to get from this term, the bracket, the 3x minus 5. Whoops. There we go. Okay, and we can always multiply this bracket out just to check that we do get back to the start. So we do x times 3x gives us 3x squared. We do x times negative 5 gives us negative 5x. And then we do 3 times 3x, giving us positive 9x. It's a bit hard to see that one. And then 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So let's just do a final check. Does this get us back to our original quadratic, 3x squared plus 4x minus 15? Ah, yes. We are good. Well done us.